will see the power of Terminal X introduced by 9ns. So we are in the market now. We are offering free Terminal X for all the users who is using the Vim, and also there are multiple SSH clients, but there are so much problem and complexity for using those system. So we are here with the cloud terminal. So you can explore our website directly from the terminal.9s.com. So you can check what we are actually providing and how we are helping to manage your different servers in a clicks. So as a user, what you want, like anytime, anywhere accesses. So we are providing cloud terminal where you can add your servers, you can store your vaults, keys, and connect from anywhere, anytime. So first of all, we have to start this. So you can click get started. You can fill the basic information like the customer name, the company, then up, then your mobile number, the email address, your password. You can just click create account. Your account will create in seconds. Your registration is successfully. Now you can do the login. So you can type the email ID and the password which you created. Simply sign in. So now as a user, when you will logged in, so you can check your all servers which you added in the system. So there are two ways where we can like add the servers. So first of all, you can create your vaults, one thing, or if you are using like AWS, GCP, or like any other provider who is providing the PEM keys. So we have the keychain system where simply you can upload the keys in a click. You need to select the key, like I am uploading one mock key, so we will see how it's working in a clicks. So we have to select the key. You can just click open, name the key. If you want to add any description or is there any password, you can just check. Other, just simply click upload. Upload key, it's uploaded. You can check your all uploaded keys simply here. So whenever you will add any servers and you want to use that key for the connection, so simply add server. You can just type the name, it's the mail server, the IP which you are you are using it. You have to type the username and the private key. So from here you can select the private key if you want to use identity. So both the option is here. Select key. So the uploaded key you can check in the key manager. You can just select and it's done. Same if you want to use as a reusable identity, otherwise add server. So this way you can add your all servers. Also the secondary option, like for this server I want to invite a guy who is not from my company but from like other company, and there is some issues which I am facing in the server, so I want to give the access of server. For those cases we introduce vault sharing. So in the vaults, if you will add server, so you can check the vault. So again, if I want to share that vault to like that third party guy, so there is a two options where we can control the server like access in terms of permissions, or also the like if I want to share the server plus vault or server only. So that way user can access the server but they don't have the credentials. And also the route rights, like if they want to edit or like update the things, or if you want to share the same server to team members, so you can also like share the same server with the team members in a clicks. Now we have the teams concept. If you wanna create your teams and allocate that particular servers to those teams, you can do. You can create multiple users as per the plan. Again, now I will show you like how the terminal access working. So I already connected one server. So now if I want to run any command, so it's simply seamless, we can see in clicks. If there is no command or something like that, you can check it. Otherwise everything you can check in clicks. The most important thing which we are providing to the users, they can check the all used like history of the like commands. If they want to upload any type of file, so they can upload the files directly in the server without using FTP. Then if they wanna use our AI, like as a newbie, I don't know how to configure like Nginx or like Redis server. So what we did in the select AI mode, we define the workflows. So as a user, you can use the predefined workflows. So the all commands you can easily see what type of commands you need to run in the server. One thing. Second, if you wanna ask anything from our AI, so simply you can select the model, which model you want to use it, and you can just search it. So in a clicks you can see the result. So how to configure Nginx, so he will give you the answer in clicks. We can check it and we can apply the same in the server. Then additional thing which we introduce is like memories. If you are configuring a big task in the server and you want to see like whenever you need it, so you can check our memories section. So those memories will help you in terms of configuration, how you did it. So this is all about the terminal X. So this way we are like trying to help users who is using like old pattern systems which are not that much worthy, because in a AI world we need automation. So we need anytime anywhere access, so we can connect any type of systems. Now again all the commands is here. Simply what we need to do, we can click add command, that will automatically add here, and we need to just click enter and the command will auto execute. Then again the added command we can see in the chat section. So this is the all about the terminal X. If you love it, then explore our demo account and use it. Thanks for watching this video.